Vegas Pallet Kings, this is box 2 that we were telling you about. The Deuce. Let's jump right into this sucker. I forgot to grab the cutting device, so we'll just do it old school. Yeah, rip it open.
Yeah, no.
No?
What was your saying? What's your saying?
I don't know. I just tear shit open. Oh, I gotta get it. Okay, I got it. Sorry about that, folks. Technical difficulties. See some stuff right here on top that I'm not sure what I'm seeing. Where? This?
Oh no.
These are not boxing gloves. It is some kind of rubberized inflatable donut ball.
Yeah, full time.
It's a donut ball.
Where you just sit on?
Ha! There's lots of weird stuff in this box. I will. Woo! Oh, yeah. You were asking for goggles to go with the scuba gear.
Yeah,
That's with the snorkel. So there you go. You got some Speedo fits.
Yeah, the trick is to fit them back.
I get them fit back in the box.
They're unused. They're just open.
Open box.
Yeah, this one used though.
New open box.
We got a spa mineral sanitizer.
You know, a lot of spas need that.
No bromine alternative.
For those who don't want the bromine.
Hey, I don't want the bromine. Keep the bro. Not your spa.
I don't want no bros in my spa. It's a 2 to 4 seater.
When do you get your spa?
I don't know.
Have to watch our pallet.
But
We got
More inflatable stuff.
more inflatables. More inflatables. They're floating around in your pool. This one is green.
Summer is coming.
Summer is coming. So everybody loves a good inflatable for their pool.
heavy duty.
Yeah.
Got some thickness.
Yeah, the rubber is definitely thick.
There's a few mils on this rubber thickness here.
Yep. We got here, fish pump. Whisper power filter.
We had a fish pump in one of the last ones.
Yeah, this one was like all melted down.
Yeah, that other one was melted. This one looks like it's all there.
Yeah, it looks nice and clean.
Not melted.
Yeah. It didn't drop.
Got a bicycle alarm. Don't want anybody stealing your bike.
TV needed that one.
Yeah.
Oh, poor Pee-wee.
Watch the Goldbergs. That was
a great
That was a
episode.
good episode. He had the Pee-wee bike like that. Oh, we got another inflatable. More pool time.
Strawberry donut.
It is. This is what every kid needs
Oh,
when they go biking.
Mike needs that
Ride
walking
your
around.
skateboard. Good old-fashioned helmet.
It don't
Kids
fit.
safe with
That
these.
would actually look good with the mask, actually. I like
Don't
it.
let your kids ride without these.
This is true. You know, like
Coming from experience.
There we go.
No, it don't fit. Sorry.
Yeah, no. That's like I think it's like a youth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's small.
Yeah, there won't be no video coming out of this.
That ain't gonna fit anything. We got Rawlings.
Henry Rolling?
It looks like part of a baseball helmet.
Used mouthpiece.
No, like from the helmet, like on the side.
Oh, yeah.
A little protector.
Nice. The
Oh,
jar.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, in case you get hit by a pitch.
Yeah, the Mike Stanton.
Yep.
Sorry, Mike.
More
We
goggles?
got more goggles. These ones are actually sealed all up.
Oh,
There you go. Maybe you can learn how that's sealed up.
What if somebody buy 2 and just go, nah, I'm not gonna.
No, these aren't gonna work for me.
Does not fit with my snorkel.
I don't know what this is. Looks like for like a hot water heater or something. Yeah. Yeah, like the igniter that you would put in there.
Or a barbecue, maybe too.
Yeah, maybe for a barbecue. Yeah, genuine replacement parts. Sure, we can look up the part number here. Know exactly what it is. Our guys are good like
Yeah, but Amazon, stop making people put barcodes over their barcodes.
Yeah, I don't want you to know. Cutting tools. Maybe. It says plug STI. Yeah. Made in the USA though.
America. Simply the best.
We got, oh, these are, look at this. These look nice. You see these nice?
No.
Camping lanterns.
Oh, I love the camp in my RV.
Keep those in your little RV.
Yeah, I gotta get that back.
Oh yeah, like the little electric one.
Oh, nice.
Put some batteries in
Oh,
them.
look at this. This is a, that's a nice,
Oh, it's a tapper.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Mike, you need something like this in your RV.
probably got like 10 of those already.
Little lanterns, yeah.
That's nice.
LED lantern.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. Puts 4 little batteries.
Pretty cool looking.
It's camping time.
Yeah.
There are 4 of them in there?
4 of them in here.
Nice.
Box 04.
One price will get you 4.
Those are nice, actually. Those are kind of cool.
Oh wow, they got some weight to them too.
That's what I mean.
They show well.
Oh, dude, they're definitely sturdy.
140 lumens?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
He's thinking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, now he's like,
No, no, the other
maybe
problem,
I do need to keep one in the RV.
Another problem is the neighbors. It's high time, I'm sorry. Yeah, go to bed.
That'd be perfect to hang off, like the little poles
Yeah.
while you're out by the campfire, so you don't trip going to the bathroom.
What's the awning open?
Yeah. Really? There's a light that time?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's a quiet time where everybody has to shut off the generators.
It should be like 3 a.m.
Yeah.
It should.
Yeah, when we're done drinking. Speaker mount. Oh no, iPad 2, and new iPad executive enclosure. It's executive enclosure. Heavy duty.
Oh, like for mounting like a
Oh, yeah.
permanent mount for it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, yeah.
Yeah, like if you're mounting it on a wall or something.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I was gonna try to get into something like that, but, instead of it in the hole, as soon as you walk in,
Oh, yeah.
control your stuff.
Yeah, you said one mount on my house.
Control panel.
Oh yeah, right underneath the
thermostat.
iPad, yeah.
Yeah.
Back my old iPad days.
Yeah, back when he used to like Apple. I don't know what this is.
Looks like something you can throw.
Super soft though. It's like a pillow. I think like a neck pillow or something.
Oh, it could be one.
Camping pillow?
Yeah, it seems like there's outdoorsy camping stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, this is all like outdoorsy type stuff right now.
Yeah, that's why some of it doesn't look familiar to me.
Yeah. I could use that outdoorsy. Camps in an RV, not a tent. I don't know what this is. You have to open this up.
Bag.
Mystery bag. What do we got? What do we got? Oh my gosh.
Looks like a sandwich in there.
It's like wrapped.
Is it a sandwich?
What's a Friday sandwich with cheese?
Nope. It's a mini light.
Oh, like a reading light.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, kind of funny book.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Another
That's pretty
camping
cool.
necessity for those that have RVs that have power.
I just watch TV when I'm on the road.
As you're driving down the road?
No.
So that autopilot for it.
No, I was kind of bad.
Does Tesla make RVs? Maybe they should. Like
Oh,
you
that'd
can
be
autopilot
sweet,
you down the
yeah.
road.
The semi, there's no reason why they wouldn't, right?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, why not?
no, I really glad. I had to mount another TV in the RV, so
Oh no.
That's like 1 TV for each
Flat panels.
10 foot, right?
Heck, all you need,
Yeah, it
all
is.
you need is the executive mount. You can mount the iPad and use that as your TV.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not big enough.
Well, it's for kids.
Oh, he's got a projector too.
Yes.
Oh
I
yeah.
can't wait to use that. I can't wait to look at these.
Oh, we got some more lawn and garden. Gotta do some weed control or pest control.
Also
Or
works on
maybe you're
children.
just fertilizing your garden.
Or you can spray your children with it.
Hold it down.
What would you put in it though?
Soap.
So good for
We don't want to take baths.
yeah. Some kids do not want to take baths. This is a chunk o metal.
Another one?
You know what? Oh, you know what this is? It looks like a clip.
Oh, really? A magazine?
Yeah, it looks like a magazine for gun magazine.
Well, it's been outdoor stuff, so.
Yeah,
22?
it's a gun magazine.
Oh, that's funny. Now it's bigger
Oh,
around.
that's bigger than 22, yeah. Oh, it's a little bit extended too.
Oh no, yeah, look, there's a little bit of. Oh, it's broken.
Well, it's for 1911. Extended magazine. 27 round.
Yeah, but it's broke.
Oh,
They
it's
broke the plastic on the end of it.
Oh, bummer.
Yep.
Now I'm for something. I don't know where that came from.
Yeah, I don't know.
27 round. That's insane.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's all broken up. I don't know how that works. Isn't that weird? That's weird looking.
Yeah, that's probably what actually holds it in.
Yeah. They probably had one, broke theirs. That's their broken one.
Yeah.
They bought another one and just put the broken one back into the box. Oh, people. All right.
Some kind of cable, right?
Yeah. Bi-directional multiplex technology. Two-way splitter combinator. Two-way splitter.
It's a model 2512.
Wow, that was quick. They're down to the last piece in the box here. Moving right along. Go ahead and open that up. Yeah, let's see what that is. Oh! It's for your coax.
Oh,
Put your coax
Oh.
together.
I got
Splitter.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I got a whole box of these.
Well, now you got another one.
There. Oh, this one has a box though. It's pretty nice.
That was shippable.
Free shipping.
You need a splitter. Alright, last thing in here. I don't know what this thing is. It says combustor. Open the bad boy up though. Oh. Hey, maybe we'll open this up once we struggle. Because I forgot to grab the knife. Oh, here we go. Tear it open. Oh, seriously? Really, people? Why you send back your crap?
What is it?
It's like a screen.
Oh, yeah.
This is their
Replace it,
their
put the old junk
used
back in.
one. Yeah. They put the used one back in the box and send it back.
It's toner guy.
Yeah, it's like toner. Yeah. We'll just throw it back in the box. Horrible. People are horrible.
Catalytic combustor.
Yeah.
Well,
Like your fireplace. Yeah, it's like for a fireplace, like a gas fireplace.
wow. Yeah, it definitely has some use.
Yeah.
Thank you, people.
Yeah. Thanks for that. All right. Well, it's kind of a disappointing end to that box.
I wish we would open this one first.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
But
Well, we got a helmet.
and I'm not worried about getting hit in the face by a baseball.
So,
I think we're still alright.
yeah, I think with the other box.
Oh, we should probably throw
Yeah,
that
this is
out.
just gonna get tossed. So. Yeah, with the other box, I think we break about even. You know, got the Phillips Hue in there. Got these mini lanterns. These are actually super.
Yeah, I want to look.
I
I
like
want to look those up.
some goggles.
Probably.
Oh yeah, little neck pillow. Might be good for flying too, when that starts happening again. Might be a while.
I want to.
What do you want to open?
What did I want to check? I'm trying to give it back to you?
Oh, I don't
The
know.
lanterns or?
Oh yeah, the lantern.
Oh, yeah, I already.
What's the name on it?
They
Wont?
are Wont. Wont mini lanterns. Those are. Oh,
Donuts?
yeah, that's right. Yes.
Nom
Donuts.
nom nom.
Donuts.
This was something.
Oh, that was the mini light.
Oh, the reason why.
Yeah, the reading light. All right, folks. Stay tuned for our next unboxing. Coming up here probably another week or so.
This one should be interesting.
Yeah, we'll have all this stuff out there posted shortly. So check back with us later. Thanks and have a great weekend.